Hey there guys, today we're unboxing Nike SB AF2 Low. Let's go see. Hey there guys, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and it's not your usual unboxing this week. I have been threatening to unbox these for weeks and weeks, but we haven't quite done it, but now we're going to do it. However, before we get to that, just in case you're new to this channel, we tend to do sneaker unboxings and these kind of cinematic on feet things, and then occasionally, actually not occasionally, every Sunday we stream. Sneaker streaming Sundays, that's at 8 PM UK time, roughly about 12 PM Pacific, and camera one, I think that's probably 3 PM on the East Coast. Finally, if you haven't subscribed, you could do that, that's just there. If you have subscribed and you haven't bashed that notification bell, we all know what we need to do these days. We need to go poo, and that will let you know when we upload, which is generally Tuesdays and Thursdays, but no one cares about that. So we've got a different kind of unboxing this week. As you can see, they're already out of the Nike box, which means I probably didn't buy them from Nike. I probably didn't. And in fact, we've got the US retail flap there. SJ Sneaker Cam, you've got the US retail flap. So this says that when I last visited the US, I actually bought these in my favorite shop, and we all know what that is. That's Atlas. So these retail US $95, $95 as well. They are a US 11.5. That makes them a UK 10.5. And the color combination is white, blue void, red crush. Red crush, that's a bit of a random one. I don't hear that come up very often from Nike. And the code for everybody out there is A003000100. Nike SB have actually they've been hammering this AF2 low shape this year. They seem to be really bringing it back. And if we get them out for everybody, let's just see. I couldn't remember if there was alternate laces in with them. Let's have a quick peek inside. There wasn't alternate laces, but we're gonna get rid of the box. Nike seems to be bringing back this AF2 shape, certainly the low, and I've got a theory, and I think that's because, and I just happen to have a blazer, they've been running like the Dunk version of the blazer in a kind of a deconstructed profile, and for some people who like more chunky shoes, that deconstructed profile is probably camera 2, not the thing they want. So they seem to be bringing back this AF2 profile. Now there's much debate in the comments over the last few videos, Dunk or AF2. I swing between the two at the moment. With this profile, this colorway, and like just everyone take a look at it. It's a classic. You know, you can't really go wrong with red, white, and blue. I probably wear these on July the 4th. They're a stunning shoe, but like that reminds me, everyone's gonna say, no, it doesn't. It reminds me of a classic Dunk. It's chunkier, there's more weight to this shoe. I know lots of people, SJ coming close. I know lots of people don't like this rubberized plastic unit on the heel here. It gives the shoe a bit of structure, and it's like, this, just take a look. Look at this shoe. It's really, really nice. We've got a leather toe box, white leather, perforations just around the seam as well, so it's not perforated like a Dunk. We've got this quite smooth, it's gonna sound stupid, smooth, rough suede, but it's not a shaggy suede. It doesn't feel cheap, it's just smooth. Looks like, I think it's constructed really well. It looks like it'd take a bit of damage. So we've got that kind of in that off-white sail white there. We come through to the mid panel, small swoosh because this is an AF2, perforated white mid panel, the rubberized plastic bits that just sit from the top eyelet down to, I suppose, midway underneath the ankle bone in that red there. We've got then the eyelets finished off in red. The leather tab underneath the eyelets is in blue. I would say, so I've not worn these yet. We do have, SJ, coming close. Top eyelet, suede. We've got a little bit of bleed, a little bit of color bleed from these shoes there. But, you know, at $95, you know, I thought that this was going to be only available in the US. I see it on the UK site now. I suspect, people, if you like this colorway, and I really do, I suspect in the UK that this will go on sale in a couple of months. So if you really like it and you don't want to pay full retail, just keep an eye out because this is sitting at the moment. So coming back to the shoe, the collar around the ankle is in a nice blue. The heel tab, or where would be a tab normally on a Dunk, is in that red crush. And then we're back to the blue on the back there. Nice, interesting touch, and pretty standard sometimes with these Nike SBs. It doesn't call out Nike SB on the back, it calls out Nike. If we look at the sole, Obviously the soles are different to the Dunk. You know, they're similar but different. You know, we've got that red crush color again and the blue, and then obviously the midsole we can see there on the side. And we're led to believe that there is some sort of air in there, but let's just try and get the inner sole out. It's not special, but I just want to show you it is, you know, we've got a standard Zoom heel unit in here. We can see there's nothing special about these inner soles, so we just put them back. As I said, this shoe is a general release, it's a GR, nothing special about it. I just really like the colorway, and I was like gutted when Nike when I first saw these popping up in the US, and it was like, oh, why are the UK not getting these? And so on one of my frequent trips to the US, I did pick these up, but a few weeks later, they released, as is the way at the moment, they released in the UK. So what do we think? Do we like these? SJ, what are you thinking? We're getting nods from Sneaker Cam there. Camera 2, take a look at these bad boys. This is just for you. Look at that. That is just for you. That's a great profile, is it not? They just look like a really classic shoe. It's a classic profile. Have a look at that, Camera 1. I present to you the AF2. I'm going to do the old sniff test. Still smell clean, still smell box fresh, even though they've been sat. I bought these, I think, at the beginning of May, and we're now sort of beginning of June. So we've had these for well over a month, and they've not come out of the box. But anyway, people, let me know what you think. Nice shoe, good pickup. I know that, you know, this is not a hype shoe, and as you know with me, and generally this channel isn't about the hype channel. Usually it's SBs with the Jordans, and now we're sort of branching out into different Air Max territory. Let me know what you think in the comments. Huge thank you guys to everyone who subscribed recently, and don't forget, we do stream on Sunday, so come and join us. That's 12 p.m. on the Pacific, that's 8 p.m. in the UK, I think. I know, what I mean, I think, I know everyone, guys, that's definitely 8 p.m. every Sunday. Come and join us. And anyway, we'll see you in the next video, everyone. See ya.